Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable IIS server in Windows. So, open Start menu and search for Windows features and open it. Inside it, enable this Internet Information Services option. Then open drop-down menu and make sure these services are enabled. You can enable any service that you need. Once done, click OK. It might take some time to enable these features. Now open Start menu again and search for the IIS Manager and run it. Now, it's running, which means our IIS server is up and running now. Here on right side, we can see the options to start, stop, or restart the server. From here, you can manually start or stop server. With this video is complete. In next video, we'll learn to host .NET apps on IIS server. So make sure to check that out.